Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Alex with the WP Creators Club. In this video, I want to show you a new plugin I created called Divi Sticky Secondary Header because I couldn't think of a longer name. But anyway, what it does is it allows you to make just the secondary header a sticky element that follows you down the page. And you'll notice that as I scroll down, it kind of slid in, and there's a couple different animations that we can use for this, but this is really helpful if you have maybe some call to action buttons such as sign up now or join now, or whatever it might be that you wanted in the secondary to follow the user down the page, but you don't necessarily want to make the entire header sticky. So let's jump over to the customize, the WordPress customizer, and I'll kind of show you how it works. I will say this: if you have the Divi fixed header enabled, it will override this because that makes obviously both of these sticky. So that will take precedence over turning this on. But what you want to do is in the customizer, you come to the header and navigation, secondary menu bar. And when you have the plugin enabled and installed, you'll see that we have a couple different options down here. So we can make it sticky. So you check this to enable the sticky secondary bar. And again, here's that note. If you enable fixed navigation bar in the Divi theme options, it will override this. So just make sure you have that turned off if you want to make just the secondary sticky. And then you've got a couple choices for your animation. So the first one is none, which just makes it static. It just follows you straight down. There's no fade in or fade out or anything. The next option is bounce, and you'll notice as I scroll it bounces in. And the trigger point is this, the whole header here. So once the header goes out of the viewport, once it scrolls off the screen, that's when it triggers the secondary to become a sticky element that follows you down. So that's the bounce animation. There's a fade animation where it just kind of fades in, and then there is a slide animation where it slides down from the top. And then you have a couple different options here, so you can set the duration and the delay as well. So if I crank the duration all the way up to 2000, so this is in milliseconds, so 2000 milliseconds is 2 seconds, you'll notice that it's a very slow scroll down from the top. And likewise, if I do the fade and we put the delay up, a 3-second delay, you'll notice that as I come down here, it's going to take 3 seconds for it to fade in. So you have a little bit of control over how the animation is, depending on what fits your design for your site and stuff like that. But it's as simple as that. These are the only options it has. It's a great way to again include a sticky element on your page if you have some call to actions or things like that in the secondary navigation that you want to follow the user down the page. So that's pretty much all there is for this plugin. This is literally the only settings that you need to worry about. Plugin takes care of the rest. So let me know if you guys have any questions, and happy designing.